Ambulances are vital in emergency medical situations. There are several types of ambulance vehicles available for various types of emergencies, each with its unique design and level of medical care. Ambulances can be designed for uneven terrain, congested streets, or crossing continents. They can be cars, trucks, boats, aircraft, or any vehicle that the situation demands. In recent times, there have been several innovations and concepts in ambulance designed to improve emergency response and save more lives. For example, there are ambulance drones equipped with medical supplies and technologies that can reach remote areas quickly. There are also specialized ambulances designed for pediatric care, stroke care, and even bariatric care. This video provides some examples of existing innovations and concepts that will save many lives. The Zipline P2 medical delivery drone is a type of unmanned aerial vehicle designed to transport medical supplies, such as blood, vaccines, and medicines, to remote areas with limited access to healthcare services. It is built by Zipline, a California-based startup company that specializes in drone delivery services for medical products. The Zipline P2 drone is equipped with a number of features that make it well-suited for medical delivery. It has a maximum range of up to 160 kilometers on a single charge, can fly up to 110 kilometers per hour, and can carry payloads of up to 2.5 kilograms. It is equipped with a parachute system that allows it to safely deliver its payload, even if the drone malfunctions or encounters unexpected obstacles. The drone is also equipped with GPS and other sensors that allow it to navigate through difficult terrain and adverse weather conditions. The drone can also dynamically move from dock to charge up as needed, making it an efficient and reliable delivery system. The Zipline P2 drone has been used in several countries around the world, including Rwanda, Ghana, and the United States. Zipline's autonomous delivery drones are revolutionizing package delivery and saving lives by delivering emergency medical supplies to remote areas and reducing maternal mortality rates in Rwanda. Its use has helped to improve access to critical medical supplies for people in remote and underserved areas and has been particularly useful during public health emergencies, such as the COVID-19 pandemic. Ecox emergency bikes are electric bikes that have been designed by doctors for medical emergencies. The bikes are built to help medical professionals navigate through congested areas quickly, saving valuable time in critical situations. This electric bike is the city's first medical vehicle designed to meet the needs of doctors, and it is custom-built in the workshops of Ecox. The bike features technologies specified by doctors in the field and is able to carry a complete medical equipment kit, navigate traffic jams, and park easily. Emergency bikes allow doctors to reach intervention sites twice as quickly. In the city, a motorist spends 140 hours a year in traffic jams. For emergency services, every second lost in traffic can have serious consequences. Emergency bikes have a 150-liter insulated storage box for carrying medications and are built with an aluminum frame. The compact-sized bike includes an optimized motor power of 75 Nm and extended autonomy with dual 500 Nm battery to drive up to 160 kilometers. The bike also features reflective wheel bands, a 140 decibel horn, long-range LED lights for emergency driving, large anti-puncture tires, GPS, and a USB connection for any device. These bikes are custom-built and are equipped with features that allow doctors to carry their medical equipment kits with them while on emergency calls. Furthermore, these bikes are environmentally friendly, making them an attractive option for medical professionals who are looking to reduce their carbon footprint while also providing quality care to their patients.
112 operator, what is your emergency?
It's my dad. I think he had a heart attack. Please help, he's not breathing anymore.
Please stay calm. What's your name?
Joanna.
Good, Joanna. We've got your location. The ambulance drone is on its way.
The ambulance drone developed by Delft is a promising concept that aims to improve emergency medical response times and increase the chances of survival for cardiac arrest patients. Equipped with a defibrillator, camera, and speaker system, the drone can provide real-time video of the scene to emergency services, allowing them to assess the situation and provide guidance to the person administering the defibrillator. The ambulance drone is designed to be small, lightweight, and fast, with a top speed of 100 km per hour. It is also capable of flying to locations that are inaccessible by traditional ambulance vehicles, such as remote or hard-to-reach areas. The drone is equipped with a two-way, video-supported communication channel that connects 112 operators and first responders, which is expected to improve first care for cardiac arrest patients. When an emergency call is received, the drone is dispatched to the location of the victim. Once it arrives, the drone's camera system provides real-time video of the scene to the emergency services, allowing them to assess the situation and provide guidance to the person administering the defibrillator. In addition to these features, the ambulance drone is also designed to be easy to use. It can be operated remotely by a trained medical professional who can control the drone's movements and use its features to provide assistance to the person in need. The ambulance drone project was developed as a graduation thesis by Alec Maumont and is expected to be relevant until 2035. According to research conducted by the ambulance drone team, the successful automated external defibrillator usage rate by laypersons is currently at 20%. The ambulance drone is an innovative concept that could potentially revolutionize the way that emergency medical services are provided. While it is still in the development phase, it has the potential to save countless lives in the future. Ambular 2 refers to an engineering project to develop an electric vertical takeoff and landing emergency medical response aircraft for urban environments. Ambular 2.0 is an EVTOL aircraft designed to accommodate 2 passengers, 1 paramedic, and 1 patient. The aircraft can be piloted autonomously or remotely and has a cruise speed of 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, a range of 25 km, and a flight time of 35 minutes. It is equipped with 8 propellers and 8 electric motors, powered by batteries. Ambular aims to develop an open-source electric vertical takeoff and landing emergency medical response aircraft for urban environments. This project was initiated by the International Civil Aviation Organization in late 2017, and it aims to inspire the global aviation community to unleash the potential of EVTOL aircraft. Chinese autonomous aerial vehicle maker Ehang has joined the Ambular project as the first hardware partner. The project is run by the International Civil Aviation Organization and aims to explore the applications of electric vertical flight for emergency medical response operations. Ehang, a leading passenger drone provider, has joined the Ambular project to design and develop ambulance drones for medical emergencies. The goal of Ambular is to develop an open-source EVTOL EMS aircraft for urban environments. The project's objective is to provide research and design resources for for-profit companies to successfully manufacture EVTOL aircraft for very safe EMS operations. Argotisan has developed a concept for a drone ambulance. The drone ambulance is a one-person ambulance drone that is modeled after a standard quadcopter and can be driven by a GPS, pilot, or a combination of both. It is designed to be dispatched to an emergency scene with a single EMT, and it can land almost anywhere due to its compact size. In an emergency, seconds count, and slow emergency response in the nation's biggest cities can lead to an estimated 1,000 savable lives lost each year. Therefore, this drone ambulance concept by Argotisan could be a visionary solution to speed emergency care and save lives. According to a Fast Company article, a single pilot could manage a whole fleet of drone ambulances remotely, relying on autopilot through the skies and taking over manual controls when necessary. This could potentially increase efficiency and response time in emergency situations. The drone ambulance would consist of a compact modular drone that can be quickly dispatched to an emergency location. The drone would be equipped with a range of medical equipment, including defibrillators, oxygen tanks, and other life-saving devices. The drone would also be able to transmit live video and audio to emergency medical personnel, allowing them to assess the situation and provide guidance to first responders on the ground. In addition to transporting medical equipment, the drone ambulance would also be able to transport patients to medical facilities. The drone would be equipped with a stretcher and would be able to transport patients to hospitals or other medical facilities quickly and efficiently. The drone would be able to fly directly to the medical facility, avoiding traffic and other obstacles that could delay the patient's arrival. Overall, the drone ambulance concept by Argotisan seems to be a promising solution to improve emergency response and save lives, and it could be further developed and implemented in the future.